Japan has been captivating travelers since its first opening to international trade in 1853. The country seamlessly blends its rich traditions and cultural landmarks with cutting-edge technologies and trendy pop culture, creating a unique and dynamic experience for visitors. With ancient gods and customs coexisting alongside modern innovations, there is always something new to discover on a visit to Japan. Hey there, fellow travel adventurers! Welcome to the enchanting world of Travel 195, where we take you on a magical journey to explore all 195 countries in the world, one at a time. Before we set off on our adventure, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our travel tips and inspiring ideas shared 2 to 3 times a week. By the way, we have an exclusive offer just for you. Click the link below and unlock the key to stress-free globetrotting with Travel 195's free documentation guide. Say goodbye to confusion and uncertainty at immigration checkpoints and hello to a world of well-prepared exploration. Don't let this invaluable resource slip away as we go to the best places to stay in Japan, your finest accommodations. Starting at number 6, Nara, the top family-friendly stay in Japan. Welcome to Nara, the family fun center of Japan. Get ready for a wild encounter at the mesmerizing deer park where these friendly deer nuzzle up to visitors and happily munch on treats from their hands. It's like a petting zoo on steroids, and the kids will be over the moon. And that's not all. The Kofax-ji Temple Complex will blow your socks off with its pagoda paradise, perfect for an enchanting afternoon adventure. The kids won't believe their eyes. Amidst Nara's landscapes lie an abundance of captivating temples and breathtaking gardens, exuding a serene atmosphere that captivates every visitor. Unlike the bustling metropolises of Tokyo and Kyoto, Nara's smaller size grants it an aura of manageability, especially advantageous for families with young children seeking a more relaxed and less overwhelming environment. In this regard, navigating through Nara becomes a breeze, making it the ideal and preferred choice for families seeking an adventure filled with child-friendly experiences in Japan. As for accommodations, Nara boasts a diverse selection of excellent options catering specifically to families. Among these offerings is the remarkable Cedar Naramachi, a haven of beauty and comfort, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable stay for families in pursuit of unforgettable moments. Number 5. Kyoto, the ultimate stay in Japan. Kyoto, the historical and cultural epicenter of Japan, houses most of the country's renowned sites. No trip to Japan is complete without exploring these famous landmarks in Kyoto and checking them off your bucket list. The city offers a wide range of accommodations, from Kyoto hostels to luxurious hotels, catering to diverse preferences. Kyoto is undeniably the overall best place to stay in Japan. Renting a bicycle is highly recommended for easy access to all the sites, although the city's public transportation is also excellent. Don't miss the chance to spend quality time at the picturesque Arashiyama bamboo forest and the delightful gardens of Akochi Sanso, both located in the charming Arashiyama district's western part. Heading to northern Higashiyama, visit Nanzenji Temple with its incredible Zen rock garden boasting magnificent views. In southern Higashiyama, you'll find one of Kyoto's most famous landmarks, Kiyomizu Dera, though early visits are advisable to avoid the crowds. Kyoto's allure extends to numerous other sites, such as the pilgrimage site of Kianen, the Golden Pavilion at Kinkakuji, the captivating Gion Geisha district, and the bustling Nishiki Market. Choosing where to stay in Kyoto can indeed be overwhelming due to its abundance of incredible neighborhoods and districts. Whether you opt for northern Kyoto, southern, or anywhere in between, the city offers a plethora of quality places to stay. Number 4. Tokyo, the trendiest stay in Japan. Oh, Tokyo, the city of boundless possibilities, where your wildest dreams can come true, though it might come with a hefty price tag. You better have a stash of yen ready, folks. Tokyo offers a plethora of extraordinary experiences, from dancing with cyborgs in peculiar restaurants to spending time with adorable animals at pet cafes. I mean, who needs regular cafes when you can sip your latte with a fluffy owl perched on your shoulder? And hold on tight because the real fun begins with a wild Mario Kart adventure through the vibrant streets of Akihabara. Dressing up as your favorite character is non-negotiable, and you'll be the star of your very own action-packed anime episode. Undoubtedly, Tokyo is the coolest and most diverse place to stay in Japan. With its numerous districts, each possessing its distinct charm, the city can be a bit overwhelming to explore. As for accommodations, Tokyo offers incredible places to stay across all its districts. For budget travelers, hostels are predominantly found in East Tokyo, while a wide range of Airbnbs and hotels are scattered throughout the city, catering to all preferences and budgets. Whether you seek the uber-modern, the unique, the wild, or the creative side of Japan, Tokyo has it all, making it an unforgettable and exhilarating experience for any traveler. Number 3. Kamakura, the budget-friendly stay in Japan. Kamakura, a delightful coastal town adorned with enchanting gardens and temples, is a hidden gem just south of Tokyo. One of its prominent attractions is the Great Buddha, Daibutsu, which adds to the town's allure. While Kamakura can be explored as a day trip from Tokyo, spending more time there allows you to fully embrace its serene atmosphere and save some money in the process. Kamakura is a budget-friendly haven in Japan, offering an array of tranquil Buddhist Zen temples and Shinto shrines that exude an aura of peace and calm. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Yugahama Beach is perfect for surfing, while others can relish relaxation on the sandy shores. Unlike the sprawling districts of Tokyo, Kamakura is a small town, making it easier to choose a suitable place to stay. Opting for accommodations close to the beach provides better views and proximity to the water, ensuring a pleasant stay. However, the closer you are to the water, the slightly higher the cost might be, so your budget will play a role in your decision. Kamakura offers a serene and tranquil escape from the bustling city life of Tokyo, making it an ideal destination for budget travelers seeking a peaceful and rejuvenating experience amid beautiful temples and coastal charm. Number 2. Hakone, the most enchanting stay in Japan. Nestled by a breathtaking lake, Hakone is the ultimate destination for a romantic spa getaway. Its picturesque setting offers stunning views of Mount Fuji on clear days, creating an idyllic ambiance perfect for couples seeking romance. One of Hakone's highlights is the renowned Torii Gate, a captivating red structure adorning the Hakone Shinto Shrine, overlooking the serene Lake Ashi. For a truly romantic experience, couples can take a boat tour of Lake Ashi, basking in the enchanting surroundings. Being a mountainous town renowned for its soothing hot springs resorts, known as onsen, Hakone exudes a natural charm that guarantees the creation of magical memories for you and your partner. To ensure an unforgettable stay, there are splendid accommodation options throughout this spa and resort town. If you plan to spend ample time in Japan, consider indulging in a stay at a hot spring resort for the epitome of luxury and relaxation. Among the enticing choices, Hakone Lake Hotel is a prime option, promising an exceptional and romantic retreat in Japan. Number 1. Hokkaido, the adventure-packed stay in Japan. Step right up, adventurers! Hokkaido is calling your name, ready to sweep you off your feet with an unforgettable adventure in Japan. Trust me, this captivating island stole my heart, and I'm confident it will enthrall you too. Get ready for a wild ride. Situated in the northernmost part of Japan's main islands, Hokkaido is a vast and diverse landmass, encompassing an astonishing 37 times the size of Tokyo, promising a wealth of experiences to explore. Renowned for its striking volcanic landscapes, excellent skiing opportunities, soothing natural hot springs, and tranquil hiking trails, Hokkaido offers an array of captivating attractions. Within the magnificent Daisetsuzan National Park, one of Japan's national parks, you can encounter the steaming Mount Asahi volcano, while the Sikorsky Toya National Parks boast divine geothermal hot springs. With numerous ski resorts scattered across Hokkaido, selecting your accommodation becomes a delightful challenge, each promising unique delights. As you plan your stay on this immense island, it's important to remember its northern location, which means packing warm clothing, even during the summer months, is essential for a comfortable visit. Among the great cities worth staying in, Sapporo stands out as the first urban city in Hokkaido, renowned for its world-famous dishes like Sapporo ramen and Genghis Khan. However, the irresistible charm of Hokkaido's seaside towns adds another dimension to the experience. Destinations like Otaru, Abashiri, and Shiratoko not only offer delectable seafood but also boast breathtaking ocean views, promising an exceptional and enchanting stay amidst the natural beauty of Hokkaido. If our thrilling countdown of the best places to stay in Japan got you excited and eager to explore these fantastic destinations, you're in for a treat. Check out our channel for more captivating videos and click here to embark on more exciting adventures. We can't wait to hear about your unforgettable moments, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Safe travels, adventurers!